What's up, my beautiful people? It's a boy, Tony Mushiri. I go by the name Tony Mushiri Official on YouTube. Still in the pig pen. You can see like I got the spade and the broom. I'm just trying to do some cleaning, and I just want to go and bring some sawdust. This sawdust has been here for like 2 weeks. I put it here to prepare the structure for this pig to be comfortable to when it is giving birth, and also to ensure that the piglet won't come in contact with the cold from the floor. So I want to clean, and I'm going to even wash the pig a bit and pour some new sawdust. So this is what I'm doing. Just sweeping. And after I sweep, wake up. It's no time to sleep. So I'm just doing like that. You can see here there is a space where the droppings usually fall. Hapana, yeah. So I'm going to do just like that. I want to go and draw with the sawdust. Then I come and put paper here. So it is the sawdust. Let me come. It's getting cold, but I have to wash this pig. Fish. Let me get it. Sina shinda na hapa. I don't know if it will be comfortable. I want the piglet to go on that side. No. I want to do a bit of washing. Then I'll just pour some new sawdust. So the water doesn't have a lot of pressure, but I'll just have to clean it up a bit. Then I'm going to make sure this plate is dry, and I bring in new sawdust. Piglet. Let me use this piece of coal. I know you're enjoying this. It got dirtified when it was giving birth. I wish the water under good pressure. Yeah, maji bana. enjoy ni amka. Kwa tunaisha side moja, amka. Pigs usually love water a lot. Wake up. Staki yembe hiyo sasa. Sasa ndio staki. Sikije kulala huko. Twende. Kimbali. Tulia hapo, tulia hapo. Haya ndio masaa. Haya ndio masaa. Haya ndio masaa. Haya ndio masaa. Say you enjoying this, Madam Pig. Also, I'm making sure that the under is clean, the teeth are clean too. You have to be clean as you used to be. Who said pigs usually bite? But don't use a brush. The English is not Englishing and the English is cornering my people. But you'll understand these are village chronicles. Chronicle. This pig used to be very white, very neat and very smart, but this time that it has given birth, that's when it got dirtified. Because I poured a lot of sawdust in this place, and now the sawdust absorbed a lot of water, so it has been sleeping on a very wet ground. But as you have seen, what I've done, I want to bring in some fresh sawdust. I'm going to collect it in a few and I'll be showing you from where we are. Previously we are in Timber Street. Sitaki uende huko bana. No. Sitaki uende huko sasa kupata maji. Yes. I don't want. But it's a bit green, eh? Go that way. I don't want the whole place to get good. I want to wash it from this side. Eh? I'm making sure that the teeth are very, very clear. It's a bit green, eh? It is a bit green. I think with it, because I will be doing this regularly. Eh? For now, I think this one is okay. There's a matter of having it dry now. And I'm going just to use this kitambaa. Just going to mostly the underside. Eh? These are what you call village chronicles. Oh, there's nothing like that. You can see even the other side, eh? You can see that so neat, so clean right now. So I love it that way. So I just clean the floor. Then I go and bring a fresh sawdust into this place. Oh, don't beat my spade, bro. So, tenye tunataka kuenda huko but inanifurahisha ile. Ile ikisikia imelalia inaamka very fast. I'm saying like that so is really doing a good job, eh? So it feels the cry or the cry of the piglet, because they come up very fast. I'm almost there, my people. So the only way to have this place dry is just to use some sawdust. I'm going to sweep the dry sawdust into this place, then I sweep it out, and the place will be dry, so I can bring some new sawdust. So just have to do like this. This is what I'm doing to dry this place. Now when I bring in the sawdust, I'll pour it in the strategic places, like corners where the piglets will be sleeping. At least I want the pig to be neat like it used to be. These piglets are wondering what is this person doing. I am the Massa. I'm very passionate about pigs. I love doing this. Like I can force myself to do other things, but when it comes to pigs and let's talk of animals, keeping of animals, I just enjoy. I enjoy what I do. This is a technique to dry the fleas. What kind of a broom is this? Hii ilikuwa kuchezwa jamani. This one, imagine that person alieka nini mingi hapa These ones. Kama zimevunjika, I don't know. Yeah, this is a joke. What are you eating, my friend? This is very dangerous. These ones are not. Oh. So let me just pack some other sawdust for the last time. I'm doing this just to ensure that I dry the place. Hey, today the English is not Englishing. The English is really cornering, but we enjoy doing what we are doing. The place is almost dry now. When it is like this, so when we have it that way, I shall be correcting some other sawdust, but I'm going to pour this in a very strategic area. I've noticed that the piglets want to sleep on this area in the far head. You can see where they are locating themselves. So I'll pour some sawdust on this area and this area and this area. But so the center part, I'm not going to pour sawdust in this place. So I'm going to go in the chamber. I'll show you. I collect some sawdust and then I come and pour it on this area. So this part, this part I'm going to leave it without the sawdust. So go that side, go that side. Go. Oh. Hey. And these ones are enjoying staying at the corner. Chani wakuji. Go. join your brothers and sisters. So, my people, let's go and collect some sawdust to come and hand in this area so that the piglets can be safe. This is my gunia. So let's get going. Hey. I'm going to collect the sawdust. Come with me. This is my another maize plantation, but this maize is not doing good. I believe it is because of the shadow of these pawpaw trees. You can see them and you can see the pawpaws. See like this one. Ooh, connect. I want to go up there. This is what you used to do when we were small kids. You can see the pawpaws, my people. Pawpaws. When they get ripe, we shall consume them. That's how fast used to go up. Push. And these are our cats. Push. These are you hold a cat. Push. It is following me to the shrub. So you have seen that pawpaw, and here we got is it visible? This is avocado. That's an avocado tree, my people. I believe you can see some avocados over there. Yeah. And we still got Simba with us. He's my Kenyan shepherd. He has come to secure me, to guard me. So, this is the sawdust I want us to pick. This one should be carried and be taken at home. These ones are so good for constructing of chicken houses. So this is how we collect the sawdust. You just push it in. It is not time to joke. It is time to do work. So from this place, this is what we do. Then you get your sack. When I was in primary schools, we used to do this and pour it in where the cows usually sleep. And that one was a compulsory. You have to go and look for where you'll find the sawdust. The cow should not sleep in a wet place when you are within. Hope my voice is audible, my people. I just hope so. These are Village Chronicles. Simba. I got two friends with me. I got Simba and the cat. Puss. You can see the cat and the Simba. And Simba is with me. Wow. This is my Kenyan shepherd. So good. It may be small, but don't joke this. Simba, help me to correct this sawdust. Ooh. Let's have it this way. I'm just going to pick small of it. Simba, get out of my way. Get. Come to this place. Sleep there. Sleep. That's enough for today, Simba. I think it is fun being in the village. It reminds you of so many things we used to do after school. In the evening, you'd come straight home, you change the uniform, and then get started with doing such. I think this one will be enough for today. This one will be just enough for today. Oh my goodness, God, you are amazing. I can be a song. I can be a songer, my people. I'm not the one who sings, so I said I can be a good singer. I just want to believe my voice is audible. I'm just talking to myself, but I hope not. So, this is the sawdust I'm going to pour to the pig place, and I think I need to get some things for the rabbit. So let me leave this one here, and let me get some things for the rabbit. Oh, nimekumbuka. Kuna jiwa imezalia pale huko hapo. So I want to go down and get some things for the rabbit. These are the ones we usually feed the rabbit here in the village. I got some a number of rabbits. So let me get some. You'll see in a very few duration of time, I get a lot of rabbit things. I am the master. Yes, anaweza. Anaweza. Yes, anaweza. Anaweza. Nani alisema ati Yesu hawezi? Anaweza. Haya ndio masaa. You can't see me. Some good amount of rabbit feed. Let me come up. That is what we call blackjack. This one is blackjack. Blackjack. It is usually loved by the rabbit parrot. That's enough. So we are going to do two things. We are going to feed the rabbit and also pour the sawdust in the pig pen. So come with me. Usually do it here. This is what we used to do. Rabbit fins. in the sun. So these sheep are trying to follow me because of these rabbit fins. They just think I'm going to give them. Hey, stop. This is the young one of a sheep. What's the name? So, you sheep. Go back. Go and eat the glass. Stop with my rabbit fins. Say hi. I want to subdivide. It's time to feed. Enjoy the meat. And then I close. Simba kuna rafiki huko. Wanakaa wanajuana. I'm from feeding the rabbit. I told you we are doing two things. I want to pick the sawdust to pour in this trays, and also I've given the rabbit, as you have seen, the fins that I've collected from the farm. And here is the sawdust, and I'm going to pour it. I get in. So I'm going to have this sawdust in this area where the piglets usually want to sleep. I'm not going to have it in the whole place. I think that is enough. Because they can only sleep on these corners where there is no much cold. I can add a bit of it on that side. Help me with it. So I'm just going to add a bit of it in this area. This one I preserve it for use. Just do it simply, just like that. Let me add you some more. Guys, this one is so dope. Having this place this way, that one is so good. I want to make sure the place is completely dry. Having it that way, I think I don't. After I do this, I'm comfortable now to call it a day. They're enjoying it. I can comfortably call it a day. For today, the only thing that is remaining is just to feed the pig, and that is it. I'm going to feed them when it is exactly 5 p.m. Kenyan time. And for now, I'm comfortable. The piglets are vaccinated. They have their tails docked, and they have their tooth or teeth clipped. What else? We're going to go, my people. So maybe we may catch up when I'll be feeding the pigs. Or we can call it a day. Some other time I'll show you how I usually mix the animal feeds and how I usually feed them. Bye bye. Thank you for your time. I hope you'll watch this video to the head, and as you finish to watch it, don't forget to press the notification button, to subscribe if you are a new member. Welcome to the family where we share more things and also pig farming stories. Bye bye. My people, my beautiful people, it is about time. It is around 5 p.m. Kenyan time, and now, like I told you, after pouring the sawdust and doing all that, it is time now to show you how I usually mix the pig feeds. I usually have two types of feeds. I usually have the sow Edwina. This is a sow Edwina, and deep, deep you can see this one is different. This is porad and sow Edwina. Okay, so some people may try to say like porad is not good for pigs, but for me I've seen it work, because I usually buy a lot of cabbages leftovers for the pigs. So my pigs usually eat a lot of roughage. So I usually, at times I usually cook for them bananas and pawpaws. So for me, porad and sow Edwina is the way I usually do that ratio. For me, I find it good. So I usually have these small jerry cans cut, and I usually want to. Okay, there are so many ways. Others usually use they pour this one into the feeding trough and pour some water, and others usually give the pigs the dry feeds the way it is. And because they have the nipples, the pig will, after it feeds on this one and it feels it is thirsty, it drinks the water from the nipple. But for me, I prefer mixing it, and I usually have it waterly, because maybe there is no water, at least that one can help. Your pig going to be dehydrated. So that is what I usually do. It is very easy to just mix. So this is the mixing. I said I love it waterly, and imagine this one is okay. We go to the second one. It is very easy, and the best thing with pigs, usually you'll feed your pigs in the morning and you'll meet with them again in the evening. So for those who are employed, pig is something that you can keep, because you can wake up in the morning, you feed it, you go to work, then after work you come and feed it, and you'll call it a day. Not like cows and goats whereby you'll have to feed them now and then, you see. But the mistake, can I say the mistake, where the pig, I think when it comes to pig, it is a bit expensive. The pig, there's no, you'll go to the shamba and cut some things there and feed the pigs. Mostly those who want to go the commercial way, you'll have to have ready money, to have money ready in your pockets in case the feeds are over. Your pigs should, you should buy the feeds. You won't have to wait. So that's how easy I usually do it, and we call it done. These are how I usually do it. So this is how I usually do it. Go. No. As easy as that, that's the noise of the sharp cutter, so don't mind it. You can see, very easy to pour, and the pig is enjoying. I will go to the next. It is that easy. And this one is very easy. And here I was burning the waste. Just to keep the environment clean. You can see I've swept and I've burnt the stuff that were really showing this place. It was looking very ugly. That is it, my people. That I usually feed my pigs as easy as that. There were many, but I've sold several of them. And I'm going to go. I have a lot of piglets, so I have to create spaces where I'll put the piglets. So let's catch up in another video, my people. Bye bye. Make sure you watch my videos, the full of it.